Cool. So what are we doing today? Good. One thing I definitely want to do is, as part of my practicing and learning journey with Cirq, I want to basically go and translate that into Cirq. So translate this is the Rubik's sphere problem that I played some days ago, where you're gonna have to guess where the qubit is and try to rotate it back so it points to 0. And it's all here done in open QASM. So I want to translate it to Cirq. That shouldn't be a big thing. So it's basically a bunch of scrambling and a bunch of rotations. Okay? And then it's just, here they have a barrier, and then they just measure the qubit. So if I go back to my projects, I prepared one that's supposed to be, so this is template for Cirq. So we might be learning some stuff about strangeworks as well. We'll see. Because I can see that some of the things are wrapped in here. And that might provide. Okay, so what do we have here? So we have a basic circuit that has. I love this about Cirq, by the way. You can just do something like that. You can treat those operations arithmetically like that to make a square root of naught. So where do we start? So basically, what I should probably do is there's gonna be so this is gonna be a bunch of scrambling goes here, I guess. And so the measurement, I think, so we're gonna have just one qubit, by the way. What is this? Parm resolver repetitions. I think we don't need any of these. Because we're just gonna have one qubit. Instagram. So I think we don't need a key there. So if we just do this, and scrambling goes here, and then I guess that at some point, so we'll just have the same way. So we'll just put it down a bit to make sure that it's not, you can't easily, or you can't just stay here and you can go here to play with the exercise. See a pen. It's early in the morning. I'm a bit need to wake up. Think you could do something like that, right? Measure. You could do something like that, and so basically, we'll copy the instructions. But we need to turn all these. Can I just? I think I can. I need to get my hands on with this. I need to get better at this editor. Must be a way you can. Can I just? There must be a better way to do that, but I just don't know. In terms of quickly editing stuff, so we're here done. Now those things in here, How can I? So let me just actually go back for a second. How are these operations? Back with Cirq. So because I'm used to importing. So in my previous project, I was importing everything, so I didn't have to use the Cirq prefix. But this is the okay. So because this basically kind of needs to be translated to these. I guess. Right, I'll do this later. Those are just instructions, but I think that's the way you should do it. And then so the gates go. So the actual gates go here, right? And now we're gonna do some scrambling. Okay, so how to do that? Because in IBM and in OpenQASM, not IBM. So in OpenQASM, you've got these U3 gates, and how do they translate? How do they translate to Cirq? So Cirq equivalent 3. Maybe this gate exists as well in here. So this was gate conversion rules. QASM U gate. QASM U gate. So there is the QASM U gate. Okay, so those things are really in there. And that's pretty cool that you can do the inverse like this. That's crazy. It's nice. Controlled gate. Not supported, not supported, not supported. Oh, no way. You can import the circuit from Quirk? What? I gotta try this. Wait a second. I gotta, so, just, no way. So, bookmarks, workspace. I don't know, just like quantum counting thing here that I was playing with. I don't know if it's gonna be able to read that though. Is it? So you can just really? So let me just. Sorry, that's a bit of a tangent, but so I'll just get in here, log in, and let me create a project. So I'll create my own. I'll create it with Cirq. Quirk from Quirk. So template and go ahead. Yeah. So you can do that. So if I so how do they do this? So they do Quirk URL and then okay, so Quirk URL. So you get this stuff in here, and then I say C equals. I have fish memory. Cirq Quirk URL to circuit. Okay, not all gates are currently convertible. Okay, so these might not be. That's pretty cool, though. So that's probably not going to work. Query URL to Cirq and Cirq, query URL to Circuit and URL and C. That's probably not going to work. That's because I think the gates in there are. Oh, what? Really? That has actually worked? Wow. It has even. Oh, it's even taken the initial state. That's awesome. Okay, that's cool. I didn't know that. What I was looking for, the U3, the equivalent of the U3, the equivalent of the U3. Da 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 da. QASM, 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 QASM. So there's a QASM importer from QASM format. Okay, and there's the QASM UGate. Okay. What's the current? What's Cirque's current version? The most up to date. Cirque latest version and Cirque 0.8. So to make the gate, how can I build that object using Cirque rather than QASM? QASM gate, QASM U gate. Yeah, this is really literally the QASM U gate. So interoperability. This is awesome. This is really awesome. Why is U1 not supported though? U0. Cirque control gate. Mm-hmm. QDeets. You can Qtreat plus. So you can also extend. That's awesome. I gotta go into DSP more. Simulers and samplers at graphics devices. Grid line named. I think I gotta go through this documentation, man. But it's like 300 pages, so. Okay, anyway, for what I'm doing, so basically, I can just basically QASM UGate, right? So and that translates to it's the same parameters. Okay, cool. So basically, that's easy, right? So I just need to do these. Just need to copy the whole thing. So I wanna same, but then this is gonna be Cirq, QASM UGate. But how do I specify the qubit? Am I just missing something? Okay, you gotta create it like this. Yeah, okay, I gotta create the key. I gotta create the gate like this and then use it as use it like an operation U2 gate. Really? How to use QASM U gate? Um, there's some coding here. QASM U gate. Because that is indeed a bit. If I have to create each of them like that, how could I? I'm just missing. Isn't there a shorthand notation for these? Like with these, I can use them directly, but here I can probably not use them. I can probably. I can probably not use them like these, right? I don't think that's something you can do. Probably need. Is pi just working out of the box like this? Okay. I mean, let's try. Is this something I can do? Or am I just, first of all, we just want one qubit. That's the first thing. Q0, I think that's not gonna work, I think. I think that's definitely not gonna work. Yeah, that's not syntax. Do I have to do it this way? Come on. No. Gates. On, okay. So I can apply dot on. Okay. So that should work. So I can say on, and that should work. No, that doesn't work either. Ah, well. That's so bad. That's so bad. That's so bad. Seems to be working. QASM U gate. QASM U gate. Cirq translation. So I don't QASM U gate. So should I? Is this somewhere? Do I need to import that somehow else? It doesn't Cirq QASM U gate. It's not QASM. So. QASM U gate. I'm just bad at this. Okay. What's the? Why doesn't this QASM indicate? So it's almost like if the operation didn't exist, but just without Cirq, just like that. That's just available like that. Let's see. Da, 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 da. No. QASM is not defined. Yeah, I mean, I need to import it from somewhere, I guess. But I just don't know from where. All the common gates. How can I import these gates? This is not like really. How to. Come on. It's not defined. Come on, is it okay? Circuits QASM output. So I need to import these. Okay, yeah, here you go. From circuits QASM output. From circuits QASM output. So I should put here in documentation somewhere. Anyway, so that's right there. So let's see. Now this should work. Come on. Pi is not defined. So I guess and just import numpy, right? Can I just do like that? Import numpy np. Can I do it like this? Import numpy. Oh man, I'm so bad at programming. Yeah, and then I would probably need to do np. So that should work now. Yay! Okay, cool. So it's worked. And you've got here something perfect. Okay, so now it's worked. So now I just basically need to translate all these. Not just, it's going to be easy. Can I just, from numpy, I'm going to say from numpy import pi. Can I just do, I think I can do it like that. And so I just have to, I'll just save the hassle of having to add these things in here. Should work as well. Okay, okay, I can go ahead while this is running. That's actually pretty cool. Perfect. So I just will take the rest And I just need to replace all these. Isn't there, I'm just, come on, isn't there a way that I can just select all or search or something like this? Oh yeah, look at this, I can do this. So can I just do probably, what is this editor based on? Can I just replace? Yeah, cool. Please replace all. Good. And so I guess we're now gonna replace basically all the instances of these. I like that they are all highlighted. So for these, all, here we go. Okay, cool. So that we think we're done. So there's an error in here. What happened? Okay. Deprecation warning. From was used, but it's deprecated. Cirq circuit ops. Okay, I don't know what is that. QASM gate. History was missing one required keyword argument key. Is it? So I should use. So I should actually use the key as it was. So I'm gonna run histogram. So Cirq. Can I just histogram? So, key X. So it needs a key. Okay, because the measurement needs a key. So we're gonna do this, and then this just needs key X. That should do it, right? That should do it. Okay. Repetition is 1,000. Cool. So I think this should be. So. Oh, what happened? Invalid syntax. What on line 13? Yeah. So we're gonna replace all these by Q0 and a comma. That's all, and we're gonna like that, and we're gonna run the code. Okay, so we have the commas, we have all that stuff. In the meantime, I can probably okay, so I can just I think oh look, it's been replacing already here. It's already here, so in this case we don't need the on, just an X, this is just a Y, this is just an H, this is just an S, just an SDG, just D, it's just a, isn't it like, I think you could do like that, right? An S. I think you could do like that. Yeah. Actually, you have to do it like that. Okay, cool. So these are the gates. Okay, so this is okay. So this is work now. We've got these in here. Got the circuit. Sort of the transpiled circuit is kind of weird. So three. When we're doing this with Qiskit, it was just compressed into one operation, kind of optimized somehow, I think. Version 0.7. Okay, so it's QASM gates, measure gates 1. Okay, but this is actually, yeah, this is the QASM thing. Okay, cool. So yeah, we're done. I think I really think we're done. I think we're done. What else? Are there any instructions that I was missing here? So I'm just, I'll copy some of those comments in here. Basically, we will be replay. What? Sorry. What have I done? Refresh the page. Really smart. Really smart. Really smart. So we will just be we'll just be replacing these for the comments. So we're doing this here exactly. What else? We've got these also to take a look at. So yeah, from here onwards, exactly. Downward scrambling. So I think we're done. Cool. Then we've got the measure in here. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's go from here exactly. So here go the gates. So here's the actual measurement, and so let's try to play with this once more. Basically, what I would do here is we would basically append. Yeah, maybe I should. Okay, maybe to be fair. To be fair, we should probably add this here. Regular expression. I'll just add this. I'll just add this here. And it would be cool if I could do multiple select. To be fair. So people can literally just copy paste from that. Okay. Cool. So I can just literally, for example, say we'll apply a Hadamard gate. So we'll just copy these, run it, see what happens. So it's mostly 0. Okay, but wait a second. When I was running, something's not right in here. Because if I apply a watermark and we run these durations 1000, I was getting 1, I think. Yeah, 100%. And so that is not giving me the same output. Is it because of precision thing? Is it because of precision? But it's actually giving me the opposite, so that's interesting. I'll need to dig into this, but why? Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. I need to dig into these basically, but it seems it's giving me the opposite result, which is confusing because I just literally copy pasted that. So unless there's some kind of convention with Cirq and these rotations, yeah, because it's literally giving me the opposite. Okay, I'll definitely dig into this a bit more. I'll dig into this a bit more next time. I just wanna should give me the same. Should definitely give me the same. Cool. Anyway, we've got the basis. The basis is of the translation is done. And